Hello, wonderful viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the refreshing world of lemon balm, a fragrant herb that's been cherished for its myriad benefits. Join us as we uncover the diverse advantages of using lemon balm, explore the situations when it's best to exercise caution, and learn the tips and tricks to make the most of this lemon-scented wonder. So, sit back and get ready for a zestful journey. Lemon balm, scientifically known as Melissa officinalis, is a medicinal and aromatic plant with a long history of use in traditional medicine. Native to the Mediterranean region, lemon balm has been prized since ancient times for its soothing properties and health benefits. Its name lemon balm comes from the Greek term melissophyllon, which means bee leaf, due to its attraction to bees for its pleasant aroma. With bright green leaves and small white or pale yellow flowers, this perennial plant belongs to the Lamiaceae family, which includes other aromatic herbs such as mint and oregano. Lemon balm has traditionally been used to treat various conditions, from digestive problems to sleep disorders and anxiety. Today, lemon balm is still valued for its relaxing effects and its ability to improve both mental and physical well-being. With antispasmodic, antioxidant, and antiviral properties, lemon balm continues to be a popular choice for those seeking a natural approach to improving their health and well-being. Calming and anti-stress effect, lemon balm is famous for its relaxing properties that help reduce anxiety and stress. It works by increasing the production of GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, an inhibitory neurotransmitter that has a calming effect on the brain. Relief of cold sore symptoms, topical application of creams or balms containing lemon balm can speed healing and reduce the recurrence of cold sores. Improved sleep, due to its calming properties, lemon balm is beneficial for people with insomnia or sleep difficulties. It helps induce deeper, more restful sleep by reducing excessive brain activity. Lowering blood pressure, having soothing properties, lemon balm helps lower blood pressure, which is beneficial for people with hypertension. Nervous system support, lemon balm helps calm the nerves and relieves symptoms of nerve disorders such as neuralgia and carpal tunnel syndrome. It removes nerve cells from oxidative damage and reduces nerve excitability, which benefits the health of the overall nervous system. Headache relief, lemon balm contains anti-inflammatory compounds, such as polyphenols, which reduce inflammation and muscle tension associated with headaches. Antispasmodic properties, it has the ability to reduce muscle spasms and calm the nervous system, which makes it useful in relieving cramps and gastrointestinal discomfort. These effects are performed by blocking certain calcium channels in muscle cells, which reduces muscle spasms and cramps. Digestive health support, increases intestinal motility and reduces gastric acid production, which helps relieve symptoms of indigestion and upset stomach. Improves cognitive function, some studies suggest that lemon balm compounds have positive effects on memory and concentration, as well as relieving mental fatigue. Antiviral and antibacterial, the phenolic compounds in lemon balm, such as rosmarinic acid and caffeic acid, have antiviral and antibacterial activity by interfering with the replication of pathogens. Relief of cold and flu symptoms, the antiviral properties and immune-strengthening effect of lemon balm can help reduce the duration and severity of colds and flu. Antioxidant properties, it is rich in antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and protect cells from oxidative damage, which can contribute to better overall health and the prevention of chronic diseases. Improved skin health, lemon balm has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can be beneficial for treating skin conditions such as acne and dermatitis. Liver protection, lemon balm compounds help protect the liver against oxidative damage and toxins, which may be useful in preventing liver disease. Support in diabetes management, some studies have shown that lemon balm can improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Reduction of eye irritation, lemon balm has traditionally been used to relieve eye irritation caused by conjunctivitis and eye fatigue. Although lemon balm is generally safe for most people when consumed properly, it also has some contraindications and precautions that you should be aware of. Here are some of them. Interaction with sedative medications. Lemon balm has calming properties and may increase the effects of sedative or anxiolytic medications. Hypothyroidism. Lemon balm can interfere with thyroid gland function, so people with hypothyroidism should exercise caution. Allergies. Some people may be allergic to lemon balm, especially those who are sensitive to plants in the mint family, Lamiaceae, which includes peppermint, oregano and basil. If you have an allergy to these plants, you may also be sensitive to lemon balm. Interaction with blood thinners. Lemon balm contains blood-thinning compounds, which means it may increase the risk of bleeding in people taking blood-thinning or antiplatelet medications, such as aspirin. Driving vehicles and machinery. Due to its calming effects, lemon balm can cause drowsiness in some people. If you experience drowsiness after consuming it, avoid driving a car or operating heavy machinery. To get the benefits of lemon balm, there are several ways to use it, each with its own advantages. Here are some common ways to get the benefits of this plant. Lemon balm infusion or tea. Preparing an infusion is one of the most popular ways to use lemon balm. You can buy lemon balm tea bags or use dried leaves of the plant. To prepare the tea, pour hot, not boiling, water over the leaves and let stand for about 5 to 10 minutes. Drink the tea before bed to improve sleep or during times of stress to get its calming effect. Supplements. Lemon balm supplements are available in the form of capsules, tablets, or liquid extracts. These products are standardized to contain a specific amount of the plant's active compounds. Lemon balm essential oil. Lemon balm essential oil has a pleasant aroma and is used in aromatherapy to relieve stress and improve mood. You can inhale the aroma directly from the bottle or add a few drops to a diffuser to set the space. Topical use. Lemon balm essential oil can also be diluted with a carrier oil, such as almond or coconut oil, and applied to the skin to relieve skin conditions such as cold sores, acne, or insect bites. Cosmetics and skincare products. Some skincare products and cosmetics contain lemon balm extract due to its beneficial properties for the skin. Look for creams, lotions, or tonics that contain this plant to take advantage of its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Complement in foods and beverages. You can incorporate fresh or dried lemon balm in your cooking recipes, such as salads, soups, stews, or even hot and cold drinks. And that's a wrap on our aromatic journey through the world of lemon balm, from its incredible benefits to the moments when it's important to be mindful. Armed with this knowledge, you can now infuse the magic of lemon balm into your daily life for the best results. If you found this video informative and uplifting, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow herb enthusiasts. We're always eager to hear from you, so drop your questions and experiences in the comments section below. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you're among the first to know when we bring you more exciting insights on herbs, wellness, and creating a vibrant life. Thanks for joining us on this aromatic adventure. Remember, just like lemon balm adds a burst of freshness, knowledge adds zest to your life. Stay curious and keep those senses awakened.